Annabelle, be nice to her. Molly, she's just a baby. She's just a baby. You can't be mean to a baby.
This bird is acting like a security guard.
Howard! It's time for bed.
He won't give up on trying to be friends.
My daughter really likes to sit in the cabinets because it's a cool hiding spot. So we put a blanket in there. And if you see my last couple videos,
Jealous of the mouse. So cozy.
Blue.
Enjoying the beautiful day. I must ask you a question.
I didn't know iguanas liked bananas. End of this video, we hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. Animal that judges you more than a cat.
It's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
What's that?
Good boy, Kenneth.
Lanes 3 and lane 6, it's Sam and Nuggie that advance to the finals.
Just out here like this. Sorry? Sorry? Collar on and everything. Wow.
Come here. Are you Penny, sir?
Majed, be careful.
I've never seen a dog this excited for his tennis ball. Silent guardian, a watchful protector, a dark cat. Prefers his hay as soup.
doing?
I love the tree.
You're eating it.
Where they're going.
Why is there so many? Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm so beautiful.
That is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
I gotta show everyone the ridiculous.
Holy crap.
Where's Dad? Where is he? Where's Dad? Find him.
Are you proud of yourself? Did you do a good thing here? Is this what you wanted out of life?
Ля-ля-ля, я Семен Лобанов, у меня башка из картошки.
Little Black, hang on. Oh gosh.
Yeah, baby boy. It's got so yummy.
You're killed there. No running on the road. You come back when I tell you.
Dog is a better surfer than you are.
What are you doing? You are hilarious.
Go to sleep.
The rent's due. Do you have your portion this month or no?
What?
Chance, you pay rent here? Do you pay rent?
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Moonaz, is you happy?
Whoops, Daisy.
Only difference between life and death. Can I pet that dog? Nope. Sketchy.
Happy one.
You're what?
Ryan.
Hold it. It's Mr. Krabs. No way. Put him right here. He looks so cute.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute? I did.
Squints, Gizmo, Oakley, Chase. No, Shania. But you're cute.
Strider! Get out of here, I'm in the bathroom. Hey!
Here's the size difference between the biggest and the smallest. Her ears don't go down. How cute is that?
shadow. And then there's
Do you ever get the feeling that you're being watched? When their owner comes home from the hospital.
What?
一个月5名平均。
What?
You're not supposed to stop.
Oh, okay. Yes, you're a good boy. So when I stopped, I remembered to ask him to come.
Go on. Go, mate.
Ready? Ooh, nice. Oh, that's nice, eh? Yes. And it.
Jasper, what are you doing?
Излизай оттам. Излизай. Излизай оттам. Какво мога напред? О, наистина, просто наистина.
get you a big camera.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Come on. She's gotta sleep.
I have no questions. I just accept that. Don't worry, Kate. I expensed this week. Oh my god. Yep. I'm so glad people don't scrutinize my team expense report.
Little steak in there. Dear Lord, thank you for this food. Kyle's the greatest there is. I'm the luckiest dog on the planet. No dog has it better than me. Amen.
Are you inside of it? Oh my god. Dude, what are you doing in there?
Toby. Toby.
Look at this goofy turtle stretching in the sun.
Oh, someone is a happy basker. Such a pretty girl. Happy smiles. Nice stretch. Good form.
Found his voice. This dog only has 2 legs.
Come on, Luke. Come on.
Rabbit is riding in style.
Hoàng Châu cắt cáp. Quay. Không cắn em nghe không?
Look who has followed me home from the park. Look.
What is he doing? What is she doing with that? Just eat it.
Look at this newborn bunny.
It's pouring rain. Playing with her water jugs. So.
What are you doing?
What?
This dog has a very important job.
We have her so trained.
Hey, did y'all eat all the s'mores cookies?
Not much. What are you doing?
What do you think he's telling his kids?
Oh my god!
Rebels.
What did you do? What did you do? You look so proud of yourself, too. What did you do?
Do you want to go out for a walkies? Are we going out? For a